in this NLP sales seminar is really so powerful because aside from knowing the secrets of how the brain works, it will empower us, especially in sales, to really know our clients so that we will be able to reach out to them and we will be able to talk to them and be able to, like in my case, I have to teach them about financial planning. Then I could really impart to them that it's very imperative to save and invest the right way. So with all what I learned, the embedding of commands and to make really connect with the clients, then I could be able to talk to him heart to heart. And I could really make my mission really have a big impact in his life. Oh yes, very sure. I would really like to recommend it because it doesn't even only work for sales people and in sales. It also works with your families. You could talk, you could communicate. The communication is a very good part of it.
I believe the seminar has helped me a lot achieve my financial goals, and through using NLP in selling breakthrough, and then I guess it helps a lot in my limiting beliefs as a person. It helps a lot in all areas of my life actually. I guess it has something to do with the spiritual aspect, the emotional, even with incomes, financial, or your relationships, and basically it is of great help even in your mental aspect. Of course, I highly recommend this NLP selling advantage because I believe that every person has to achieve her goals in life, and this would be a great help for everyone. So I highly recommend it to everyone. In any person or any chosen career that or field that he's into or she is into, I believe that this kind of seminar will help her achieve her goals in all areas of her life.
Creating your rapport within the span of 3 minutes. Basically, we learn about mirroring and matching because creating rapport within 3 minutes will set the mood in your presentation. That's definitely amazing. It's really a breakthrough when it comes to selling. Yes, this is really highly recommended, not only for my friends and also to my relatives and to your colleagues. It's highly recommendable because NLP is a life-changing selling technique.
The reason I attended this seminar is because I wanted to learn better techniques on how I can relate with our clients. I've been reading a lot of materials. I've attended other seminars, but a lot of them fall flat. But after attending only the first day of this seminar, I've learned a lot, and I realized so many ways on how I can relate and help my clients more. Especially today, a very important thing for today is I learned a lot about rapport. It's how it will help me how I can communicate better with our clients.
From the very first thing about being at the perfect state and imagining great things about yourself so that you will radiate it to the people that you're talking to. It's so important since it's about sales. So we need to show people that we are feeling good about the things that we are offering them. And secondly, it's about the power of our actions. Every action that we do, it has a meaning, and the way that we mirror, the way we communicate with people, it's also important pala. Akala ko dati parang it's okay lang that you do this, do that. Everything pala has meaning to the person that you're talking to, and it has an effect to the subconscious mind of the person. It's so awesome. It's so different, especially to me. It's a whole new learning and highly recommend.